fourth phrase. So I'll play C, C, F, G, C, C, G, C. It's up to you. You might use toe and heel, or you might choose to use heel and toe. Up to you, whatever you feel more comfortable. Or you can even do toe and toe. Anyway, that's the pedal board. I usually play pedal board with the left hand first. And now I can add my right hand melody very slowly. I haven't really played this version before, so I'm going to do it very slowly in my first attempt. Once you feel secure, we can move up the tempo slightly. So we're going to do slightly faster. Yeah. And now we can move down to the second phrase is a repeat of the first phrase, so we're not going to worry about that. We're going to move to the third phrase. Yeah, I have to do the pedal first again. I will do E, A, D, G, C, A, D, G. Okay, it's slightly more challenging, but the good news is you move your foot just a note at a time. If you get your feet ready, yeah, put E using your left foot and play the A with the right foot. Yeah, so you just need to move down a tone. Yeah, and then now we can add the left hand. Notice, I think it's a very good habit to immediately get your foot on the right note after you lift it. So for my left foot, yeah, I want to play E, D, C. Immediately when playing E, while my right foot is still playing A, I should get my left foot ready for the next. Yeah. And while my left foot is playing this D, I got my right foot already covered in. So that's a very efficient way of getting the pedals right. Okay, so now I'm going to add my left hand very slowly. So that I get more familiar with the movement. Yeah. And now I can add my melody. Please watch my other video too, which shows how to play the melody line for this piece. Yeah. Let's do it very slowly. Lastly, we are going to play our final phrase, which is relatively easier actually. So we have C, D, C, G, and C, F, G, C. You can use both heel and toes. Toe, quite hard because it requires you to play 2 notes in a bar. I might get used to it first and then play the last 3 bars. Yeah, and then you might play the last 4 bars. Yeah, it's even faster. Yeah, so get used to it. We can add the right hand, but I'm going to do it very slowly for the first time because I haven't really played this score myself yet. Let's do it slowly. That's very much the piece, and we're going to play the whole thing again from the beginning.